my dudes, my guys, my freaking boys. Back at it again. We're working on Eric's car today. Eric's right there. The boy. So we're working on his car today, getting it ready for Honda Day. We need to paint the front bumper in an EPA regulated place. We need to paint the hood in an EPA regulated place. We need to paint the back bumper in an EPA regulated place. And we also need to do the tie rods, clean it. It needs lots of cleaning. So we got the fender off right now because we had to paint match stuff for the hood. We got another hood for it and stuff like that. But yeah, as you can see, the birds been pooping. Been pooping crazy. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead. You'll see more of this car, but it's a B20 with the GSR trans. We built like a little intake tube for it and stuff like that. So we gotta, like, when we painted it, we painted over everything, so we have to go back and clean all that stuff up. But yeah. So this is like Rick's first project car, so he's like learning how to drive stick and everything in it. So it's been pretty fun. But the B20 with the GSR trans should be like, he normally drives, he got a like a 21 Accord Sport with the 2.0 with the 10 speed, and that's like his daily. So the EG should be way more fun after we get it running and stuff. So we just put Eric's car up on jack stands, and I'm gonna go ahead and start knocking out the tie rod ends, because it's the tie rod end that's moving. I don't know if we can get a good view of it. So we're gonna go ahead and replace those now, and Eric is gonna work on doing the starting sand and stuff. So alright, so this was the one we just took out, and as you can see, there's nothing left in there really. So I'm gonna go ahead and lay the other one down next to this one and make sure they're the same length, and then pop it in. So we got the tie rods done, and now we are doing the headlights. And Eric's brand new headlights just came out the box broken. That's the tabs. So gotta love that. No EG ever. If you, it's like a flex if you have an EG and you have all the tabs. Like this one's broken here. It's like the ultimate flex. So Eric's got this one in, and that one fits pretty nice. But this car's been in like an accident, so you can see how it's like split right here. So we're gonna try to weld that back down. And then it's also not fitting here, so we're gonna try to fit that back up and throw a tackle on it. And this headlight is like not fitting right, so we're just gonna try to weld everything in and then fit the light and then hammer stuff and get stuff to where it needs to go, I think. That'll hold. Yeah, look at that. That's significantly stiffer. Heck yeah. There it is up in there. So now we'll just do this side right here. We got the headlights in. They don't fit super well, but this thing was in an accident, so we got it as good as we could get it. And whoever welded this core support in, like, did not weld it very well. This thing's still really weak, so definitely needs a new core support. But for now, for Honda Day, it is in there. So just have to just have to sand the bumper down, and then we can take it to our EPA certified paint booth and paint it. EPA certified area that we're painting in. We have paint. There was a reaction on this one, so we're gonna have to figure that out. Other than that, it seems to be laying pretty good. So this one's still stripy because we've only done one coat on it, so it'll clear up. We just pulled these out of our paint booth, and they are drying. So there's three coats on this stuff, and now we're doing an alignment on the hatch. And I don't know if you guys ever seen this trick, but if you do tape, you have to have the same offset wheels, and the car can't be like a staggered weird setup. But you do a string on the front, you tape it on the front, and then you do a string on the back, tape it on the back, and then you just go in here and you make it to where it just barely touches, and that should be straight. Yeah, this side's way the off.
Yeah. So, when this bay was painted, it was done quite hastily, and all of these fun-loving bolts were painted over. So we are fancying them up with our technology to make them nice and clean and normal, not painted looking.
Indeed.
Big icy. Big icy.
So icy. I don't know what is on that.
You know what's on that.
It's trying to not come off.
I still can't believe that one joint was hand tight.
Yeah.
You have been driving this.
I mean, it can't physically go anywhere because the top hat's resting on here. But
now we got to try to get paint off that other stuff over there. So I guess if somebody wants to grab the acetone, that would be the move. So it's now dark and there's a storm rolling in, but we got all these things cleaned up right there. Clean the bay up again. So everything's good. Got the headlights in, new tie rods, all that stuff. And then all the other stuff is drying in here right now. We have to clean the floors, but everything in here is drying. So we'll have to see what the color looks like on that. I think it's a little bit brighter, but we'll see. We gotta wait for it to dry for like 24 hours, so. All right, so day 2, we are back, and we are gonna throw all of our painted panels that we have in here. We're gonna throw all these on the car. The red did come out like a bit more orange than his car, so it is what it is. It's only for an event, and then we're gonna paint the whole car a completely different color, so it doesn't matter. We haven't had very much luck paint matching stuff, so yeah, Rick's here, double we. Gang. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and start slapping some panels on and see what it looks like. Everything's all together, all back. It's definitely a little bit different of a color, but for Honda Day, it will work because after Honda Day, it's gonna get repainted. So good enough for now. The boy Ricky liked it.
You at Honda Day?
Yes, sir.
Come fucks with us.
Sir. All right, that's it. That's it. We'll catch you on the next one. Yeah, now that the e-brake's off.
There we go. No, it's not.
Oh God, I don't know how to stop it.